This is Paco. He has a lot of space now. It's big enough, more than enough for one cockatiel. You can even put like 2 more, maybe. Locked. I have to lock this because he can open these doors. So to make sure, for now, I just put this. It's great quality. Better than I thought it was going to be.
You landed, I reckon I could jump at you on the land down heaven to shout at you. But when I see that house, I'll begin to go.
Lady Chatterley versus naked flesh against her, as he can do to her.